their motorcycle through the battery tender. And that's how that's done, my friends. Give a big thumbs up, smash that thumbs up button, and subscribe if you like to be taught stuff that you don't know, and you want to, and you should.